Hello my dear students, I hope all of you are good. This is your maths class and today I am starting a new chapter, Unit 9, Fractions. So my dear students, open page number 70. This is page number 70 and here, Unit 9, Fractions. Okay? When something, a whole, is divided into equal parts, each part called a fraction of the whole. All the fractions taken together make a whole. Here are some examples. Means when some things divided into equal parts. Okay, so all each part is called fraction. For example, this pizza is divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is called fraction 1/4. Okay, in 4 parts it is divided, so one part is called 1/4. Okay, like this is flag. It is divided into 3 parts. Each part is called 1/3. Okay, all the 3 parts 1/3 make a complete whole. Okay, now some more examples. In each of the example below, a fraction of the whole is colored. For example, here are 2 fractions are colored. Okay, so write 2 above and total are 3 parts, so write 3 here. So 2/3 is colored. 2/3 is colored. Okay, now here 4/6 is colored, here 7/8 is colored, and here 5/9 is colored. To write a fraction in numbers, we write number of parts we are talking about upon total number of equal parts. Okay, the number of the top is the numerator and the number at the bottom is the denominator. Okay, means 5/7. This is numerator and this is denominator. Okay, now the next is at page number 71, fraction of a collection. A part of a collection of things is a fraction of the whole collection. Means 1/3 of 9 balls are red. Means 1/3 of means multiply 9. 3 3 is 9 equal to 3 1 is 3. 3 balls are red. Okay. 2/3 of 9 balls are yellow. So 2/3 of 9. So 2/3 of means multiply 9. 3 3 is 9. Now 3 2 is 6. 6 balls are yellow. Okay, or you can say fraction of a number equal to numerator multiply bracket number divide denominator. Okay, now the exercise time. At page number 72, exercise 9A. Question number 1, color to show the fractions. So in first part 5/6. Total 6 parts are here. We have to color 5. So color like this. You can use pencil or wax color for coloring. Okay. Now the second 7/9 means total 9 parts are here. We have to color 7 parts. So color like this. Okay. Now the 4/7, total 7 parts are here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and here we have to color 4 parts. Okay, 4/7 means we have to color here 4 parts. Total parts are 7. Okay. Now 8/15, total 15 parts are here and we have to color 8. So color like this. Okay. Now the question number 2 is write in numbers and words the fractions said it. Okay, So here we have to write in numbers and also in words. Okay, so A part is here. Total 4 parts are here, 1 2 3 4, and 3 are colored. So the name is 3/4. Number is 3/4 and the name is 3/4. FOURTH, fourth. Okay, like this you have to write. Now B part, total 5 parts are here, 3 are colored, so number is 3/5 and the number name 3/5. C part, total 7 petals are here in this flower, 3 are colored, so 3/7 is the number and 3/7 is the inverse. Okay, so like this you have to do. First write in numbers, then write in words. Okay, so like this you have to write. Now question number 3, fill in the blanks. A part, in 5/7 the numerator is 5 and the denominator is 7. Okay, this part is called numerator and this part is called denominator. In 13/20 the numerator is 13 and the denominator is 20. If the numerator is 7 and the denominator is 9, the fraction is 7/9. D part, if the denominator is 10, means 10, and the numerator is 3, the fraction is 3/10. E part, if 1 is divided into 4 equal parts, each part is a 1/4 or 1/4 of the whole. If 1 is divided into 9 equal parts, each part is called 1/9 of the whole. G part, the number of quarters that make a whole is 4. Okay, number of quarters यानी 4 parts make a whole. How many tens make a whole? 10. Okay, so this is fill in the blanks. Now next, this is page number 73 and here question number 4, color the fractions, count and write. Okay, A part, 1/4 of 8. Total 8 parts are here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 1/4 of 8. So 1/4 of means multiply 8. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Now 2 1 ja 2. So answer is 2. So here we have to color 2 parts. Okay. Now 1/3 of 12. Total 12 parts are here. So 1/3 of 12 means 1/3 of means multiply 12. 3 4 ja 12 and 4 1 ja 4. So total here we have to color 4 parts. Okay. Now 2/3 of 15. Of means multiply 15. 3 5 ja 15 and here 5 2 ja 10. Okay, so total here we have to color 10 diyas. Okay, so like this you have to do this part also. Now the question number 5, fill in the blanks. A part, 1/2 of 12. Here we have to solve this one. 1/2 of means multiply 12. 2 6 ja 12 and 6 1 ja 6. So here we have to fill 6. Okay, so like this you have to do. And one more example, 7/10 of 100. Of means multiply 100. So 10 10 ja 100 and 7 10 ja 70. Okay, so do like this. Now question number 6, tick the correctly shaded fractions. So we have to check here. A part, total how many parts are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 parts are here and 3 are colored. Means 3 upon 6. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Means 1 upon 2. So it is correct. Okay, now look B part, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts are here and 2 are colored. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, means 1 upon 3. So it is also correct. Okay, now this one, total parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 parts and 4 are colored. So 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 6. So 2 upon 3. Now the D part, 3 upon 4. Okay, total parts are here 8 and 5 are colored. So this is 5 upon 8. So this is wrong. Okay, so like this we have to check and write tick or wrong. Okay, now the question number 7, true or false. 1 A part, 1 upon 5 of 20 is 4. 1 upon 5 of means multiply 20. 5 4 ja 20, 4 1 ja 4. Yes, it is 4. So this is true. 2 upon 3 of 30 is 20. Yes, this is also true. 3 upon 11 of 55 is 35. Yes, 11 5 and 5 3 ja 15. So this is wrong. Okay, 1 upon 6 of a number is 5. The number is 30. 1 upon 6 of a number is 30 is 5. So 6 5 ja 30. Yes, this is 5. So this is true. 2 upon 5 of a number is 20. The number is 65. So 2 upon 5 multiply 65. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15 and 13 2 ja 26. No, this is 26. And so this is wrong. So check this one also and write true or false. Okay. Now next exercise at page number 74. Here, like and unlike fractions. Okay, fraction with the same denominator are like fractions. Okay, अगर आपका denominator same है, so these are like fractions. 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 4 are like fractions because 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 4. In both fractions, denominator is 4. So these are called like fractions. Okay, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 4 upon 5 are like fractions because here denominator is 5. Okay, fraction with the same denominator are like fractions. Now the next is fraction with the different denominators are unlike fractions. Okay, for example, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 6. Here denominator is 4 and here is 6. So different denominator, so these are called unlike fractions. Okay, now 4 upon 5, 4 upon 7 and 7 upon 10 are unlike fractions. Okay, now next is proper and improper fractions. Okay, in proper fractions, numerator is always less than denominator. Okay, for example, 1 upon 2. Here 1 is less than 2. So numerator is always less than denominator. So this is called proper fraction. Other example, 4 upon 7. it is also a proper fraction because 4 is less than 7. Numerator is less than denominator, so this is called proper fraction. And in improper fraction, numerator always greater than or equal to denominator. Okay, for example, 3 upon 2. Here 3 is greater than 2, so this is called improper fraction. Okay, now the next is mixed fractions. A fraction made up of a whole and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction or a mixed number. For example, 2 1 upon 2. This is a whole number and this is a fraction. A fraction made up of a whole number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. Okay? In a mixed fraction, the whole part is called integral part and the fraction is called the fractional part. Okay? Means 2 1 upon 2. This is called integral part and 1 upon 2 is called fractional part. Okay, so remember it. Now the next exercise time. Exercise 9B. Question number 1. Ring the like fractions. A part 2 upon 5, 2 upon 7, 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 9. So we know fractions with the same denominator are like fractions. So here 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 5 are the like fractions. In B part, 3 upon 11 and 7 upon 11 are the like fractions. In C part, 1 upon 6 and 2 upon 6 are the like fractions. Okay? So like this you have to do. Now the next is color the proper fractions green and the improper fractions red. Okay, so we know in proper fraction numerator is less than denominator. So this is 3 upon 5 is a proper fraction. So color it with green. And here 5 upon 3 is a improper fraction because 5 is greater than 3. So color it with red. Okay, so do it yourself, color it. Tick the mixed fraction. Okay, so here this one and this one is mixed fraction, so tick it. Here this one and this one also, okay, this one and here this one. So tick it properly. Now the next is question number 4 is write the integral part and the fractional part of each fraction. A part 3 2 upon 7. Okay, so here 3 is integral part, so write integral part equal to 3. Okay, and the fractional part equal to 2 upon 7. Okay, so like this you have to write in your copy. Now question number 5, change into mixed fraction. Okay, so fraction is given 4 upon 3. Change it into mixed fraction. So for changing mixed fraction, divide 4 by 3. Okay, 3 1 ja 3 and remainder is 1. So write first this one, this is whole. First write this one, then 1 upon 3, last 3. Okay, this is mixed fraction. Okay, so like this you have to do these parts also. Now question number 6 is change into improper fractions. Mixed fraction is given 3 1 upon 2. So for changing into improper fraction, first 3 multiply 2 plus 1. Okay, here multiply and here plus 1. Okay, upon 2. 2 एज इट नीचे रहेगा, 2 3 जा 6 प्लस 1 अपॉन 2 इक्वल टू 7 अपॉन 2. Okay, so this is a improper fraction. Now the one more example, 3 2 upon 3. So first multiply both these numbers, 3 multiply 3 then plus 2 upon 3 as it, 3 3 is 9 plus 2 upon 3, 9 plus 2 11 upon 3. Okay, so like this you have to do these parts. Okay, I have done for you. You can take help from here. Okay, now question number 7, write in the form of fraction. Okay, 7 divided by 2. So you have to write in the form of fraction. You can write like this, 7 upon 2, and in mixed fraction 3 1 upon 2. Okay, so like this you have to write, and this is your homework. Okay, now question number 8, write in the form of division. 5 upon 9, so very simple, this means 5 divided by 9. This is the division form. Okay, so like this you have to write this one also, and this is your homework. First change it in improper fraction, then write in the division form. Okay, now more sums for practice. So change into mixed fraction. So for it, take out your notebook. So here A part 7 upon 2. So here we have to change it into mixed fraction. So 2 7, 2 3 ja 6, remainder is 1. So first write this 3 whole number, then 1 upon last 2. Okay, like this you have to do. I have done B and C part for you. D, E, F, G is your homework. Now question number 10, change into improper fraction. 2 3 upon 5. So first multiply 2 and 5. 2 multiply 5 plus 3 upon 5. 5 to the 10 plus 3 upon 5, 13 upon 5. Okay, so like this you have to do B and C part, and D, E, F, G is your homework. Okay, now the last question is fill in the blanks. A part 5 upon 4 is a or an improper fraction. 5 upon 4 कैसा fraction है? Improper, because here numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, and 5 1 upon 4 is a mixed fraction. Among 3 upon 13, 7 upon 13, 3 upon 17 and 7 upon 19, like fractions. So like fractions with the same denominator are like fractions. So 7 upon 13 and 3 upon 13. In 6, 1 upon 3, the integral part is 6 and the fractional part is 1 upon 3. Okay, so like this you have to do. Now your exercise has finished and your half yearly syllabus also has finished today. Do all the work properly and practice your sums. Now I am going to stop this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.